How do you ride it? On my way to Urth Bike Night in downtown LA. Haven't been there for quite some time, and it's December, it's cold, but I wanted to get out of the house for a little bit. Basically the bike night is a lamer bike night, Los Angeles motorcycle riders, and it's every Tuesday in downtown LA. So you know, if you're watching my video and you're interested in coming out, just feel free to stop by. We're full of friendly people and assholes, but friendly assholes. Everyone just has an opinion, you know. But yeah, you ride a bike, ride a motorcycle, ride a scooter, whatever, just come out, have some fun, chit chat, dessert, coffee, organic stuff.
One down, four up. 5 speed.
One down, four up?
One down, four up.
That's different. See that? It is a little wide. Alright. Oh. Pretty comfy, but you know, I'm not used to the way the seat is. The seat is a bit wide. Feels kind of weird, but definitely once you get your feet up, it's really comfortable.
Are you listening?